everyone, how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today's video is extra exciting. We're going to be opening up my Bolzano handbag subscription, which I absolutely love, and there will also be a giveaway in this video. So Bolzano actually reached out to me. They're doing this amazing giveaway to give back to the community. So I'm going to leave the link down below. It's super easy to enter. You just fill out a form. So the giveaway is all about giving back, like I said. So they want you to pick someone you think deserves to get a free subscription to Bolzano. So this could be, you know, maybe yourself, a loved one, just someone that like gives back to the community, always has a positive attitude, is always there to help others in need. I think this is so great, and I think this would really brighten someone's day that deserves it. So you just have to fill out that form. And on that form, just say you came from my channel and you have to be a subscriber. So all the information will be down there. I'm super excited. So you will win a free month of Bolzano, and it is seriously such a great subscription. If you know someone that loves purses, or if you do, you will definitely love this. I have a whole Bolzano playlist. I will link down below if you want to see the bags I received in the past. They have multiple subscription options too. It's not just purses. You can get a handbag and accessories. This is called the Luxe subscription. So you get like 2 to 3 accessories along with your handbag, and it's such a great value. It's like $33.95. Again, I'm gonna leave all the information down below. So I'll leave the entry link down below for the giveaway, as well as the Bolzano website and my playlist, so you can see the bags I've received in the past. So all of the bags come in a duster bag like this, so you could use this to store it or use it as a tote bag, really however you please. So let's get this open and see what's inside. And here it says, Bolzano, you deserve to be spoiled. I like that. Ooh, I swear, every month I get a bag that's super different and unique that adds to my collection. This one is super cool. So this is like a, kind of like a chocolate brown with like burgundy red straps. Super cute. This would actually fit my MacBook, I think. Awesome. So you have 2 straps here, and then there's a little Bolzano little logo there, and the top is zippered. And it looks like there's probably going to be a handle inside you could attach right there. Oh, I just dropped something, but inside it has the purse companion. So I mentioned how you can get the subscription that has the accessories, but you can also add on purse companions, which are like beauty items. So you can like bring them in your purse, or, you know, just keep them at home on your vanity. I think it's such a great touch. So yep, here is the strap, so if you want to wear your bag longer. Wow, this is really big in here. So this is what the inside looks like. There's like 2 pockets over here. It looks like you can put like your phone in one and whatever in the other. And then there's also a zipped pocket. And then again, the whole thing zips. And on the bottom, it has those little, whatever they call them, buttons, so you can sit your purse upright. I like this. This is definitely different. Let me get the plastic off around the handle so you can kind of see the color better. This is a great like everyday bag, I would say. It's so spacious too. Oh, I have my MacBook right here. Let's see if it'll fit. So I just have like the MacBook Pro. And yeah, it fit inside, and there's extra room too. Awesome. Definitely will get some use to this if I like bring my computer to a coffee shop or wherever. So yeah, so this is the bag for the month. Now let's move on to the accessories and the purse companions. So I believe this is the purse companions, and here are the accessories. So let's start with the accessories. So there are 3 things here. There is a card inside. Let's see what it says. It says, congratulations on signing up to receive a surprise in styling each month. This month we've chosen our Loretta especially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $205. Wow, the bags do all seem great quality. I should have mentioned this in the beginning. I am vegetarian, so I like to have only vegan leather. I don't like real leather products, and they are like, sometimes faux leather can be a little like cheap looking, but theirs is definitely not and seems high quality. And $205, that's crazy. Again, if you get just like the purse and the accessories, that's $33.95, or if you get the purse companions too, it's around like $43 or $45, so definitely a great value. It says Loretta is part of our latest collection. It comes in coffee and scarlet, which is the one I got, or you could have gotten it in cream and tan. And it says, what we love about this bag, it has versatile style, accenting color trims, convenient crossbody strap, inside multi-purpose compartments, clean finish, and structured shape. So you can see the woman there, she has the one I have. I'm glad I got the one I have. I feel like if I had cream and tan, I mean, that would be super cute. Maybe it would get dirty easily. I don't know. But I love the bag I got. And on the back it says, signed up for Lux Plus. So that is where you will get the beauty items along with the purse. So you will get also, if you sign up now with the link below, you'll get a free Biotherm moisturizer and 4 to 5 beauty items monthly. Cool. So now let's see. It looks like we have some jewelry here. We have different things. So yeah, this is everything, the sneak peek, but usually it's like mostly jewelry, but it looks like we have different types of accessories this month, which is exciting. And it is a necklace. It actually says like love on it. Can you guys see that? Let me take the plastic wrapping off around it. Hopefully you can see it a little bit better now. And it is adjustable. So here's the first accessory. And then it looks like we might have some sunglasses in here. Let's see. I like that it comes with a bag so you can store them in there. Ooh, it does. These look cool and they kind of match me. They're like red. One second, they're wrapped in this protector. But these are cute. So they're like this pinkish red color, like kind of clear with a cat eye shape. Let's try it on. How do they look? I like them. I could have used these the other day. I just went to a music festival. I love sunglasses. I keep like a pair everywhere. I live in Florida. I feel like I mentioned it in like every video, so these will definitely come in handy. I really like these too. Awesome. And then the last accessory, let's see what this is. It looks like it's like a little scarf or headband. I have gotten such cute scarves from them in the past. Yeah, this looks like it is a headband. So this is super cute. You can wrap it around, or you can like wrap it around your bun on your head. So it's blue. It has like, I've seen this design before. Is it like, I can't remember, but I know like some designer has it, but it feels really nice. It looks like it will be a perfect size and easy to tie around. So I will definitely use this. I really like the accessories this month. Like I said, usually we get like 3 pieces of jewelry, but I'm glad they like switched it up. Love the sunglasses. So now let's move on to the purse companions. The very first thing I see is a strawberry lip scrub. It says strawberry extract rich in nutrients containing a variety of acid, vitamins, and minerals, improve nourishing and moisturizing effect and stretch the lips wrinkle effect. The English isn't perfect there, but I get what they mean. So yeah, I like using lip scrubs a couple times a week, especially if I'm using like liquid lipsticks. It definitely exfoliates your lips, and the lipstick applies a lot more evenly, and sometimes in dry weather you just need that. So awesome. I love the scent of strawberry. Oh my god, the next thing is kind of random, but I'm super excited about it because I could use these as certain outfits. This is silicone nipple covers. These are great like fashion accessories. Sometimes I use like the stickers, but these are silicone. So it's 1 pair self-adhesive concealer, and you can use it up to 30 times. So that's like way better than using the stickers because they're one-time use only. This is more eco-friendly too, less waste. So it says, when a traditional bra just won't do. And it says it's soft, smooth, and flexible. So you're supposed to cleanse your breast, open the package, and peel away the silicone nipple covers. Gently place each one on your breast and enjoy your new freedom. I love stuff like this. I could totally use this. Like certain dresses I wear, you just can't really go with like our traditional bra, so these will definitely come in handy. I'm like super excited. This is like the best month in a while with all these companions and stuff. And then there's this big thing here. What's this? It's the pomegranate detox face mask. I actually was just doing a face mask right before I put on my makeup. So let's see. There's a 5-pack in here. So there's 5 masks, and it says naturally extracted high quality red pomegranate essence allows for easier absorption of water and nutrients present in the mask. This mask helps dispel toxins and excess oil while restoring your face's natural moisture. Regular use helps delay signs of aging and keeps your face well toned. The packaging is cute. Let's see what they look like. So they're just in this basic mask here. So they're just sheet masks, and the way to use them, just you wash your face, pat dry, place it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you could just wash it off after, or just, yeah, it says wash or wipe with a wet towel to remove any excess liquid. So I guess a lot of masks I use, they say just like pat in the remaining essence, but I guess this one you can just wipe away or pat it in. I think that would be fine too. So awesome. I love masks. I do them all the time, and that was everything. So I think this is a great month. This bag is awesome. I think this will be a good like work type bag for me. I like the colors too. And again, there's a strap if I wanted to make it longer. I love the accessories this month. Like, the necklace is okay, but I love the sunglasses, and I love wearing headbands too, so that is super cute. Like, I'm totally going to use these all the time. And the nipple covers, I feel like I said that we're a little softer, but like I'm super excited about these. Like, I'll definitely use them. I think that's awesome. You can reuse them up to 30 times. I've had something similar in the past, and they really are reusable if you like take care of them and like put the cover back on afterwards so they don't like dry up. We have our lip scrub and the face mask. So yeah, this was definitely a great month for Bolzano. I'm super happy, and I'm super excited that one of you guys or one of your loved ones will get the chance to win a free month of Bolzano. Definitely enter that giveaway down below. There's nothing to lose, and yeah, I can't wait to find out who wins. I know it will be someone very deserving. I almost said something different than that. Someone very deserving. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so much. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.